Hello students, welcome to standard 9 subject mathematics chapter 10 circles. In the previous lectures we have seen the theorem and example 2. In this lecture, lecture number 6, we will solve exercise 10.4 based on that theorems and example. So the question number 1 is two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. So this situation we have shown in the figure. The two circles here we have drawn of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. This radii of 5 cm and this radii of 3 cm intersect at two distinct points. So they are intersecting each other at two distinct points A and B. And the distance between their centers, center of this circle is P length and the center of this circle is Q. Distance between this P and Q, that is centers, is 4 cm given. Find the length of the common chord. So common chord is here, you can see AB is common chord for both the circles. That length we want to find out. So in solution, let two circles with the centers P and Q and the radii 3 and 5 cm intersect each other at point A and B. So from figure it is obvious, we have seen the theorems that this PQ will be perpendicular on AB, each other. Therefore PM is perpendicular on AB. PM is also perpendicular on AB. As this PM is perpendicular on AB, is from center to the chord, and center to the chord, the perpendicular bisect the chord, that we know. So that criteria we will use here. And now these two triangles here we have A and B, the right angle is M, and A and Q on the right side, and that also right angle is M. So on both the triangles by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle A and B, first if I take AM square equals to the hypo square AP square minus the other side square PM square. Right? As the Pythagoras theorem, hypo square equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. And if we want any one side, then hypo square minus other side square we have to do. So hypo is AP square we have done, minus PM square is the other side square. AP is the radius of this triangle, this circle, so it is 3 square as it is, minus PM square as it is. See result 1. Similarly, triangle AMQ you take, in that, similarly AM square, any one side square, equals to the hypo square is AQ square minus other side square QM square, equals AQ is the radius of this circle is 5, so 5 square minus QM, this QM length is indirectly called that whole PQ is 4 and this PM part. So QM is 4 minus PM. So QM is 4 minus PM. Geometrically you can see in the figure. So in place of QM 4 minus PM and a whole square as it is. Say result 2. So result 1 and 2 both are the answers of AM square only. So we can compare them, we can equate both the results. So from result 1 and 2, the right side we can equate 3 square minus PM square equals to, here right side is 5 square minus 4 minus PM the whole square is expanded. The expansion of 4 minus PM the whole square, we can use A minus B the whole square type expansion. That is, we know A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A square means 4 square is 16 minus 2AB means multiply by 2, 4s are 8 PM plus B square, that is PM square. That way we have expanded. Now simplify this. 3 square is 9 minus PM square as it is equal to 5 square 25. Minus sign here in the bracket, outside the bracket. So in the bracket all the sign will be changed. This will be minus 16, this will be plus 8 AM, this will be minus PM square. Next is, by simplifying, minus PM square both the side is cancelled, right? So what we have on the right 8 PM, and with that on the right we have 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. You take on the left side, there was already 9 is there, 9. This plus 9 if I take on that side, minus 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So 8 PM equals to 0 we have. Therefore PM equals to 0 upon 8 will be 0 upon 8 is again 0 only. 0 0 upon anything is 0, that's why. So PM is 0 we have. PM is 0. PM is 0. Place this PM is 0. Is result 1 or 2 anywhere you can place. So I have placed in result 1. From 1 it is AM square equals to 3 square minus PM square. PM is 0. So it is 0 square. So what we have ultimately AM square equals to 3 square only because 0 have no value. AM square equals to 3 square. Both the side taking square root. We will have AM equals to 3. AM equals to 3. You can see this AM equals to 3. To get this whole AB, it is twice of AM. You know. So the length of chord AB equals to twice of AM. 2 times AM. And 2 times AM is 3. So 2 3 is 6 centimeter. Is the length of the common chord. Next question number 5 is here we have 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws the ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between the Reshma and Mandeep? The whole situation we show here in a figure. The circular park we have shown here, right, of radius 5 meter given, and Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. Between that Reshma and Salma, the distance is 6 meter, and Salma and Mandeep is also 6 meter given. And the distance between Reshma and Mandeep we want to find out here. Okay. So from the figure it is obvious that let's draw the figure for the situation that we have drawn. Here RS equals to SM equals to 6 meter it is given. If I draw the perpendicular from center to the chord OA and OB this side also. So OA is perpendicular from center to the chord. We will bisect the chord. So therefore RA will be the half of RS. Will be the half of RS is 6. So half of 6 is 3 meter. Now by Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAR, this triangle you can see in that Pythagoras theorem, any one side is equals to in the root of hypo square minus other side square. That we have done here also and here also the same way we are doing. So OA any one side is equals to whole root of OR square is the hypo square minus RA is any other side square. OR is the radius that is 5 square minus RA, here we have find 3 and square. In the root of 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. So root of 25 minus 9 is 16 and root of 16 is 4 here. So RA equals to 4 we have. Now next the formula you know, the area of triangle equals to half of base into altitude. So area of ORS, this triangle if I take, this triangle's area is equals to half of base if I consider RS on that altitude is OA equals to, for this triangle's area only, if I consider the base as OS on that altitude is RL, so half OS into RL. Both are showing the same area of triangle ORS, so they will be equal. Now both the side half is cancelled and place the values. RS is again 6 given, this RS is 6 given, into OA. OA is here we have found 4 equals to OS. OS is again the radius of the circle, and it is 5 into RL we want to find out. So this 5 will be down to this 6 into 4, 6 into 4, 24 upon 5, 24 upon 5 is 4.8. So this RL is 4.8. You see the figure RL is 4.8. So RM will be the double of RL. Therefore RM equals to 2 times RL, 2 times 4.8 and it is 9.6. So this RM is 9.6. RM shows the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Therefore the distance between Reshma and Mandeep is RM equals to 9.6 meter. This is the answer we have. Next question 6, we have a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Here we have shown this circular park of 20 meter radius, actually it is. And three boys, Ankur, Sayyid and David, are sitting at the equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone. On its boundary, three boys are sitting, and at equal distance they are sitting on the boundary. So A to B, B to C and C to A. Like three boys are A, B, C. They are sitting on the boundary in such a way the distance between them are equal. So AB equals to BC equals to AC. If AB equals to BC equals to AC, the triangle ABC is equilateral triangle here. What we want to find out here? They each have the toy telephone to talk to each other. Find the length of string of each phone. String of each phone. So this AB shows the string between the two boys' phone. So AB is the length of string, BC is also length of string, AC is also length of string, and each length is equal here because they are sitting at the equal distance. So we want to find out AB. Any one side of the equilateral triangle, that is AB or BC or AC, you can find. That is we have to find here. Let three boys A, B, C are at equal distance on the circle. Therefore, triangle ABC is equilateral. If triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, and if I draw from the center, suppose O, to each of the side the perpendicular OF on AB, OD on BC, OE on AC, all are perpendicular from the center to the chord, center to the chord, center to the chord. They will bisect the chord. So AF equals to BF, BD equals to DC, and CE equals to AE. That will be. And if I consider this one part AF as X, this also be X. As AB equals to BC, BC equals to AC, all sides are also equal. So this part also X, this part also X, this part also X, this part also X. So let AF equals to X. Therefore, AF equals to FB equals to BD equals to BC equals to CE equals to A equals to all equals to X. Now this in equilateral triangle ABC, this AD shows the altitude. And length of altitude in equilateral triangle is √3 by 2 into side. That we have written. AD is length of altitude. It is √3 by 2 into side. The formula we have. So it is √3 by 2 into side means any one side you can place AB or BC or AC. So whole side AB is X and X 2X. So that is 2X we have placed in place of side. Now 2 cancel. So √3 into X is remaining. So AB equals to the length of altitude AD is √3x. Now by Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBD, this small triangle you take in which D is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypo square equals to other two sides square sum. So OB square equals to OD square plus BD square you have to place. Now OB is the radius of the circle and it is 20. So it's 20 square equals to OD. This OD length is indirectly the whole AD minus OA. So in place of OD, we will write AD minus OA. So in place of OD, AD minus OA, the whole square as it is, plus BD is X. We have considered. So X square. 20 square is 400. This AD minus OA place value, AD is, we have found here, √3x minus OA. OA is again the radius of the circle is 20, the whole square plus X square as it is. Now simplification, 400 as it is equals to √3x minus 20 the whole square can be expanded as A minus B the whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square type. So A square means √3x square will be 3x square minus 2 into 20 into √3 2AB, that means. So 22 into 20 40 √3x plus 20 square is 400 plus X square as it is. Now both the sides plus 400 plus 100 cancel. On the right side what we have 3x square and 1x square is 4x square minus 40 √3x and equals to here we have 0. Now this whole equation divided by 4x, you will have 4 is divided, x is divided 1x minus by divided by 4, this will be 10 √3, x is divided, so x is split. So this is x minus 10 √3 equal to 0, gives x equals to 10 √3, x equals to 10 √3, and length between any of the two boys string toy telephone string, AB or BC or AC, anyone we can take. If I take length of the string is AB, the AB shows 2x, so 2 into x is 10 root 3, so 2 into 10 root 3 gives 20 root 3. So length of the string is 20 root 3 meter is here. So this way exercise 10.4 we have solved. You are suggested to solve these questions 2-3 times and be confident in solving this type of questions. Thank you.